Can I get the half-pound roast beef and cheddar?
Alright, we got the Arby's. I am not excited to try this. Bro, the box is like soggy and like falling apart because how wet it is.
What?
Bro, let me put this glass on my table. Bro, I'd be lying to you if I said this smelled good.
Just then, the king felt true fear for the first time.
This genuinely smells so bad. Bro. I'm scared to try this. Should I take a big bite or a small bite? It smells so bad. Alright. What the That is so bad. That is so bad. That is genuinely terrible. Oh. That is so bad. It was wet in my mouth, bro. It was soggy.
What?
It is so bad. Let me take a smell. This genuinely is bottom 5 things I've ever tasted. I thought the videos were joking, they weren't. Based off looks, we'll give it a 3. Okay. Could be so much better, but it could be worse. Based off smell, bro, that's a 0. Oh my gosh. Taste is a 1. I don't think I've tasted worse. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Genuine fear in my eyes, bro. This might have to go in the dumpster.